Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's August 7th, and we're going to do a little update on where we're looking at with our new greenhouse. Well, here's the spot. We've got it kind of semi-level. We've got a few issues where it's a little bit low in a few spots. We're going to level that up. We've got most of the sticks and roots out. So we're almost ready. We're going to start putting up the frame, and we'll kind of let you know on that as we go. This project has been kind of a long project. I think it's been over 3 years since we started thinking about it and preparing. We actually, where our compost pile was there, where we've been composting it, we got most of that out of the way. We'll start a new one, but I think I've decided I'm going to go about 60 foot with this. It's going to be 30 foot wide. We've got our hoops. These actually, it takes 2 hoops or two pieces to make a hoop. We've got our purlin, or our ones that keeps the hoops in place. Now these are all recycled. We purchased some old greenhouse frames and stored them on the property here. And like I say, it's been about 3 years, I think, since we've done this. Last winter, I worked on a heater for this one because we're going to try to keep this above freezing because we're going to put citrus in that greenhouse. But we've moved these up here. We need to get them off the trailer. But I figured I'd do my last little dirt work before I put these over by the site, and then we'll start to erect this. But if you're looking to do a greenhouse, that might be an option for you as far as finding somebody that has a greenhouse frame that they're not using anymore. You might pick it up at a good deal. This is not a real heavy hoop, and these were set up on 5 foot centers, and I think they were, but anyway, they're going to be set up on 4 foot centers with this one, and that might have been what they were before, but we're going to make it a little bit sturdier. Our big greenhouse is it's on 5 foot centers, but it's got 2-inch pipe, so it's quite a bit sturdier. But anyway, this is where we're setting. We've started moving our materials up, and we're almost ready to start breaking. Well, I say we broke ground. We're about ready to start erecting it. But anyway, if you want to follow along on this project and see the progress, of course, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all. And of course, give it a big thumbs up and share this video. That really helps my channel. Enjoy that gardening experience.